Alexa, start the ambient lights.
Welcome to Pinkvilla Tech.
Welcome back to Pinkvilla Tech, and today we're going to talk about Amazon's 4th generation of Echo speakers. No, this is not the Echo, this is the Echo Dot, which is a smaller speaker. This right here is the Amazon Echo. It's a bigger speaker, better sound, and better receptions in terms of mics. Let's set them up, test them out, and we'll talk about what has changed in the 4th generation speakers that are currently available through Amazon. These speakers are faster than the previous generation of speakers because they have machine learning and they process your sound on the device, then processing over the cloud. So in terms of interactions, Alexa is much more faster. Let's put it through the paces, understand how things have changed. And in terms of connected home, how can we integrate these speakers to make our life more connected? In the meantime, I'm going to switch off the mics on both these speakers is because every time I say Alexa, they're going to start reading into our conversation here. So let me mute them up so that when I'm talking about Alexa, they don't get all jittery. It doesn't take a scientist to understand that these are spherical, but the Echo is much larger as compared to the Echo Dot, and that's because it houses 3 speakers instead of 1 as compared to the Echo Dot. It has 3 tweeters and 1 3-inch subwoofer, because of which the sound is much richer on the Echo as compared to the Echo Dot. Both of these are 4th generation, so they process sound or what you speak to these speakers locally on the devices itself, and because of which your commands like Alexa, play something, there doesn't necessarily need to be a pause. It's more of a human feel that we are getting into, even into the AI space. I'll give you a demonstration. For the newer speakers, you can do this. Alexa, what's the date today?
Today is Friday, July 23rd.
This is possible with the 4th generation of speakers. It was not possible with the older generation of speakers. In terms of sound comparison, Alexa, what's the date today?
It's Friday, July 23rd.
Much more clearer, but Alexa, what's the date today?
It's Friday, July 23rd.
Has a more natural feel to it. I'm hoping that the mics are able to capture this and you guys are able to understand as well. But me sitting right next to these speakers, I'm able to tell you that this is more of a natural sounding speaker as compared to the Echo Dot. Yes, this is more of a smaller speaker. You can have it as a desk speaker. So is this. But with the bigger drivers that we have, this is something that you can also use in probably a living room, and you will still be able to talk to it from any corner, because both these speakers come with 4 mics, and they're able to catch your sound or your voice when you give a command to them from almost impossible kind of conditions. I'm going to keep this guy in one corner of our office. I'm going to walk to the other side, and then I'm going to call out to him. Okay, by the way, we get a voice option for a male and a female, so he, she, it doesn't really matter. But I'll call out to the Echo, and let's see if the mics are powerful enough to catch my voice across the room. We'll also try the intercom functions that enables us to talk from one Echo to the other Echo speaker, or Echo Dot in this case, or Show as well. And before we do that, there are some fun things that we have planned around the speakers, like Alexa, will you marry me?
That's nice, but I really like our relationship the way it is.
Nice. The responses have got better as well. Okay, let's take this guy out and have some fun with him. Hey, before we head out, if you guys are liking the kind of content that we guys are doing out here, please go ahead, like and subscribe to our channel. And if there is anything in specific that you want us guys to try out, please do leave us comments. The new generation of the Echo speakers have some great mic reception on it. I'm going to call out to the speaker which is placed right across our office here and see how well it works. Alexa, play my favorite music on Apple Music.
Aurelius Cochinu station from Apple Music.
All we have time to walk! Sorry, man. Sorry.
Alexa, stop! Ori, isn't it too dark?
Alexa, start the ambient lights.
Alexa, start intercom.
Do you want to drop in on Aurelius's Echo Dot?
Yes.
Okay, dropping in.
Ori,
Yeah, bro.
can you just come to my cabin right now?
Yeah, sure. What's this about, man?
Come soon, man. You screwed up the script.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm on my way.
Come right now.
Alexa, disconnect. So as you guys saw, we can have a nice setup in the living room where we use these for interaction. You can have these set up in offices to create an intercom, or you can also have these set up at home in a way that if your mom wants to call you out for dinner or lunch, she can directly call you on this without disturbing you while probably a meeting is on. But the other thing that I like about these speakers is Amazon has not restricted these speakers or the ecosystem only to their products. You can link them to smart enabled devices from other third parties, as well as you can connect these devices to third party available vendors as well in terms of your washing machine, smart plugs, lights. The possibilities are endless. I mean, the smart home features that we would originally watch in retro movies is something that we are currently able to live now in the 21st century, and this is just the beginning. Speakers are much faster, devices are much smarter themselves. Possibilities and automation is just endless. I love these speakers. In terms of who these speakers should cater to or which speaker should you buy, the Echo Dot 4 is a much smaller speaker, but it is equally capable as the Echo. But if you are a person who's going to be connecting the Echo Dot to your home entertainment system, this guy is more than enough to get the job done. But if you're going to use the Echo as your primary source of entertainment, then you should go for this because it's connected, it sounds better, and you will love the music output that this guy has out here. This goes on for retail somewhere around 5,000 rupees on Amazon. There are discounts on and off that Amazon just put out. And this bigger guy here is for around 7,999, so 8,000 bucks. So the extra cost is justified by the size and the sound that the Echo delivers over the Echo Dot. This has been the review of the Echo and the Echo Dot 4th Gen speakers from Amazon. This is Aurelius signing off. Have a great evening ahead.